What if I told you the problem isn't your memory? It's the way you're using it? If you've been forgetting everything you study, everything you read, everything you try to learn, this story is going to wake you up. There was a boy named Cairo. Cairo wasn't stupid. He wasn't slow. He just couldn't remember anything. He would study all night, then wake up the next morning with his mind completely blank. He'd read a page and forget it in minutes. People laughed. Teachers were frustrated. Cairo felt broken. He'd look at his books and whisper, "Why doesn't my mind work like everyone else's?" One day, after failing another test, Cairo sat alone in the school library. His head was down. His heart was tired. Then an old librarian sat beside him. She quietly asked, "Why are you trying to remember information your mind doesn't want yet?" Cairo looked confused. "How do I make my mind want it?" She smiled gently. "Your brain remembers what it understands." The librarian explained, "Cairo, memory is not about forcing the mind. It's about connecting the mind." She told him to stop memorizing words and start understanding the stories behind them. And for the first time, Cairo realized he was studying the wrong way. Your mind remembers pictures, not paragraphs. She handed him a notebook and said, "Draw the idea. Don't just read it." So Cairo drew diagrams. He sketched concepts. He turned lessons into images. And suddenly, his mind lit up. His brain wasn't forgetting anymore. It was holding on to everything. Your mind remembers what you teach. The librarian said, "When you explain something to someone, your mind locks it in." So Cairo pretended to teach imaginary students. He taught the wall. He taught the air. He taught himself. And lesson after lesson, the information stopped disappearing. Cairo was finally remembering. Weeks passed. Cairo walked into his next exam, not terrified, but confident. He closed his eyes for a second, and every point appeared in his mind like a picture. And when the results came, he didn't just pass. He got the highest score in the class. People stared. Teachers were shocked. And Cairo smiled for the first time in a long time, because he realized there was nothing wrong with his mind. He just needed the right way to unlock it. Your memory isn't weak. You just haven't trained it correctly. If you want to remember everything, Sparkles understand it. Sparkles visualize it. Sparkles teach it. Sparkles repeat it. Sparkles make it meaningful. Your mind remembers what matters. Make your goals matter. If you want a sharper mind, if you want to remember everything you learn, start today. And if this story inspired you, subscribe now, because I'm here to help you build a mind that never forgets your purpose.